What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles here. Before I get started with this Yeezy cleaning, I want to give a huge shout out to you guys, the subscribers, for showing mad love. If you're not already part of the Reshoevn8r Nation, make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys, because we got some amazing content coming for you guys this year. I'm super hyped about it. And don't forget, we give away a pair of hype shoes every month. And the only way you can win is to be subscribed. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. But to move on with this cleaning, guys, we are gonna be cleaning these Yeezy 350s in the True Form colorway. Now, these didn't even come out in the States, which is super bummer because this colorway's fire. I actually really enjoy it, but unfortunately, this is a size 9.5, so I can't get it off Steve. But it's all good. So today, I am gonna be cleaning these with Reshoevn8r's 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that is available at Reshoevn8r.com. So without further ado, guys, let's get bubbly. For today's video, guys, I am only gonna be cleaning the right side. So I'm gonna put the left one to the side. And the first step is remove the laces.
What's up, guys? Vic Almighty here, about to restore these super cooked Gucci Aces. Make sure you guys stay tuned this Monday for the full restoration to see how these turn out. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we got new restorations coming every single Monday. Let's get back to the video.
Now the next step, guys, is to grab our adjustable shoe tree and adjust it to size. What you're gonna wanna do is push these little metal tongs together and adjust it to the size that's needed. I think we're about right there for a 9.5. Let me go ahead and just double check. Nope, I think we need to go up one more. It's about there. And the way you insert it into the shoe is you kind of hit it in this shape right here, push it down, and then you apply pressure. And what that's gonna allow you to do is get a nice good form on your shoe and apply more pressure on the toe box. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab our solution, pour a few small squirts into our bowl of water. And the first brush I'm gonna begin with is the soft bristle brush. All right, guys, I am done using the soft bristle brush. What I'm gonna go ahead and do, there is a couple stains that you can't see it right now with all this soap. Let me actually just dab here. I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of darker right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and hit that up with the medium bristle brush. Now, anytime you are cleaning any knitted materials, guys, and you move on to the medium bristle brush, you wanna make sure you test it real quick just to make sure it doesn't fray, which this one doesn't seem to be fraying at all. So I'll be good to just, one direction should be all right. So I'm going to go ahead and use this medium bristle brush on those deeper stains. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that up for the medium bristle brush. The next step is to get this midsole and the outsole with the stiff bristle brush. So go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, so I am done hitting up the midsole and the outsole with that stiff brush. Real quick, I did want to point out that there still is a little bit of dirt right here on this midsole. So what I'm gonna do is grab our microfiber towel, dip it into our solution and water mixture, and then just clean it like so. See that? All right guys, the shoe is all done and clean with the pre-treatment. Go ahead and check that out. Now the next step is to clean the laces. So all you gotta do is just grab them, dip them into the solution and water mixture, and then we'll rub them in between my hands. All right guys, now that the laces are done, I'm gonna go ahead and put them inside of the shoe just to get a deeper wash when they are in the washing machine. Next up is to grab our laundry bag, put the shoe in there like so. And you always wanna make sure you pull it tight and lock it down. That will prevent your shoe from falling out of the wash. And if there's too excessive right here, guys, what you can always do is wrap it around the shoe and you can tie a knot to get a better fit. All right guys, we're in the washroom, so let's go ahead and put the shoes in the wash. We're gonna make sure we use 1 ounce of our detergent, cold water, normal cycle, and let's leave it in there for about an hour. Let's go ahead and do that now. What's up guys, we are back. Went ahead and let these dry overnight, and man, I am really impressed with the results that we got from these Yeezys, guys. Just go ahead and check it out. I know what a lot of you guys are gonna say in the comment section. We switched out the shoe, it's not the same shoe. And I'm here to tell you, it is the exact same shoe, just cleaned up with Reshoevn8r's advanced 3-brush sneaker laundry system and sneaker laundry detergent that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. Make sure you guys check out the description below for a nice little promo code to save some bucks. Also guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are super excited to have all of you guys already a part of the Reshoevn Nation, but if you're not already, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. I'm Jonny Bubbles, and I'll see you guys next time.